Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. We are doing LeetCode Daily. This is the 108th day of my streak, and today's question of LeetCode Daily is question number 2154. Keep multiplying found values by 2. So basically this is a very easy question, and let me get you through the concept quickly. So the question says that if we are given an array of integer numbers, here we are given an array and also a original number, which can be anything, 3 4, anything. So what we have to do is we have to search the first number that needs to be searched in nums should be the original one. So basically we will be given an array, and then we will be given an original number. So what we have to do, we have to scan, we have to search the array and find that number first. And if we find the number, if original is found in the array, then we multiply it by 2. Okay, otherwise we stop the process, and we keep repeating this process with the new number as long as we keep finding the number. And finally, when the process is done and we are not able to find any number at the end, then we return the final value of the original. The main value of the original is not changing, but the final value is will be different because it will keep getting multiplied by 2. I hope you guys are able to understand. Let me give you an example here itself. So the nums is 5, 3, 6, 1, 12, and original is 3. So first it will scan. So first it will scan, it will find 3 here. So it will multiply it by 2. 3 into 2, 6. Now it will scan 6 because 6 is the new original for this thing. Now 6 is found here. So it will multiply it by 2 again. So now it's 12. So now it will find 12. 12 is not here, 12 is here. Now 12. So it will multiply it by 2. So 12 2 is 12 into 2, 24. So 24. Now it will find 24, but 24 is not there and the array has ended. That's why 24 is returned. So the output is 24. Similarly, in 279, original is 4, but the output is also 4 because 4 is not found in nums. Therefore, the original 4 is already is returned because it is not able to twice itself. So that is the only thing in this problem. It is a easy level problem. Let me do it for you, and we will be solving it in Python. You can do it in Java or other languages also, almost same thing, same concept. So let's do it. Let me zoom in a bit for you guys. So here it's a different class where we are finding final value. Here it is announced, which is a list integer and the original integer. Now we will be writing the code basically. So nums equals to set nums. We will be setting the value of nums so that it can double itself. Now we will be running a while loop. So while original in nums so if we find original in nums, then we will have to multiply it by 2 and keep it equal to 2. And then we will have to return the value of original. So that is our code. Let's run it and see if we have any indentation error. Great, we don't have any indentation error. So our runtime is 0 millisecond. Let's submit it. So yeah, the streak is also completed. It has a 0 millisecond and beats 100%. So great solution. What I will do from now onwards is I will also copy paste the solution in the description box. So I have not been doing that till now, but from now onwards I will copy paste the code in the description box along with the question link. So that will be helpful for all of you guys. You can copy paste it also, or after that I will make a GitHub repo also for that. So thank you. Let's meet tomorrow for the streak.